You're a superhero.
Before moving to the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem of YouTube not opening in smart TV even the Wi-Fi is on. So let's start the video. Firstly, turn on Wi-Fi. Then open YouTube. Now you can see that I can't connect YouTube. To fix this problem, open settings. Now open date and time. Then turn on automatic date and time. Or you can set the current date and time. Now you can see that the YouTube is working. If you enjoyed my video, please drop a like and subscribe my channel.